Hello class, so today I will be showing you guys how to get on the new app we'll be using in class. It is called ABCia and it has games and all sorts of fun things you can do to help practice. We'll use it for letters and numbers, so to help practice your letters and numbers. So it's right up here. You're just going to open up your computers like you normally do and it will be up here on the top. It's called ABCia, just click that and it opens up automatically. So then it comes up with all the different grade levels, and since we're kindergartners, we're just going to click grade K. And then this is the spot where you'll pick whether we're doing letters or numbers. So just to show you, we're going to be doing letters. And all these games in orange are your letter games. So when I say you can do ABCL letters, these games in orange are the ones I'm meaning. And you just click on a game and click the little play button, and you can play it like that. So then, if I tell you you can do ABC numbers, you're going to click the numbers tab, and all these games in blue are the ones that you can play. These are all your numbers games, and the same thing, you just click on the game, click the play button, and you can play it. Now you guys can also get on this during free time and you can play these games on your own time. But if you play these games on your own time, you guys can use the skills, the strategies, and the holiday. So let's look at the holiday ones. You can play all these on your free time. You can carve a pumpkin during Halloween. You can make a Valentine during Valentine's Day. Make a snowman in the winter. You can do all sorts of holiday games, or you can play these real fun games. You can do golf, or you can do the things, donut drops. I know you guys like donuts. Or another one that's really great is just ABC of paint, and you basically can just paint your own picture. So you can use this, and since your guys' computers are touchscreen, it's a lot easier. But you just paint. There you go. So there's all sorts of fun things you can do on here in the kindergarten level and all sorts of things that we'll be doing in class. So get to know how to use this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.